can join me to cut soap today. I'm making this video so you guys can join me. Join me. Welcome, welcome. Woo. My stamp and my hammer. Okay. Woo. Just wish I get some surprise. Be a headache. Welcome. Join me to cut soap. Join me to cut soap. How many is this? So how many is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So one more is remaining. Oh my goodness! I can't wait to just get done with this. Ah, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? You see this one now? It's going to short from the other side. This one's now went out practically. It's going to short from the other side. Woo! Nothing good comes easy. Nothing good comes easy. This one is not neat. So let me use idea to make it neat. This one is not neat though. That thing almost spoils my cutter now. Helen's corner, Helen's corner. Hello, I hope you guys are enjoying what you're seeing. Nothing good comes easy. Nothing good comes easy. Good morning from my side. Oh my goodness. So this is it. We are ready. We are ready for stamping. So this is a laundry soap for washing. If you want one, I can send you. I can send you. You can only cut it now that it's soft. After today now, this thing will be hard. Yeah. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. Watching Helen's Corner. Helen's Corner. We learn. We grow. This is Helen's Care. Helen's Care for your household. Helen's Care for your household. I care, I'm sweet, and I care so much for you. I care, I care. You just have to be happy whether you like it or not. This life, I've seen that if you're just making yourself angry unnecessarily, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Who? The wings. Hi. What's you making? I'm making soap, okay? It's soap I'm making. Laundry soap. Laundry bar soap. That's what I'm making. Okay? These are the ones I've made. Can you see them? Can you see them? These are the ones I've started packaging. Can you see them? And these are the ones I'm making now. Can you see them? That's what I'm making, oh. Eh? Eee! Dropping them here on the floor to dry. Because this place, my hand cannot reach there. Now. So, let's go there. I'm a party rider. Let's go there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay? I'm almost done. Once I finish, Helen's Corner, Helen's Corner. Welcome. I'm keeping them to cure. I'm allowing them. I think I prefer that pink. Which color did you prefer? I love the pink color. It's so shining, sparkling. Maybe because pink is my favorite color. I wouldn't have done a soap that doesn't have pink. Which one do you like? Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Join me to cut soap. We learn watching Helen's Corner. Mama at the wheel. Nothing good comes easy. Nothing good comes easy. Woo! I'm at the last batch now. I've been on this almost since today. Since morning, I've been on this. I'm at the last batch. Almost done. Wheel. Helen's corner. Mama, the wheel. We land. I'm almost done. So. I think I wanted to film this, right? Let me remove my tripod. So, this one is my bathing soap. The one I made is curing. This one is for my personal use. For myself alone. It has goat's milk, kojic acid, precisely that's what I use in making that one. Helen's gone, Helen's. Yee! I'm at the wheel. We land. But Helen's gone. I just remember I was supposed to film this video for normal video. So let me get, I don't know. Let me get my second phone. This is my second phone. Let me film what I'm doing. Alice Corner. Well, let me turn it on. I'm filming now. Okay. Wow. So let me film what I'm doing. Let me put it aside. My last batch. My last batch. Let's put it this way. This is my last batch. My last batch. Hey, they've disappeared though. call. This call just distracted my life, honestly. This call just distracted my precious life. But let's go there. I don't know how I'm going to stop call. This is my last batch. We are doing it. We are doing it. You know, when you've been doing something and it's the last one, there's this joy and happiness you just get. So that's the kind of one I have now. That's the kind of joy and happiness I have right now. So this is my last one. Flying. I don't know what's happening here. Whatever is happening, you know that I'm not a fan of it. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. Whatever is happening, you know that I'm not a fan at all. The last one. The last one is chamfer. They call it chamfer. This last one is chamfer. So see how I'm going to do it. Because this middle went out when I was lifting it. So I'm going to watch it. It's not going to give me 2. So what I will do is, I know it can't give me 2, but at least I'll get 3. So this is how I'm going to go about it. So I'll remove this one, remove this one, and remove this one. Others can fly. So I'll remove these edges. Mama, the wheel. We land. Hell is corner. Woo! Let's do the stamping. I think we are done for today. like the life for me, okay? Support my hustle. Support my hustle by liking the life. I had to go on live, bro. Support my hustle. Wondering what I'm doing? I'm cutting soap. I'm cutting laundry soap. We learn. Hello. Hi. Good morning. I'm cutting my soap. Click the like button for me, okay? Like the life for me. Woo! Woo! So I'm done. The next thing I want to do today, I'm actually filming a day in my life today. Okay? So the next thing I want to do right now is to cook this soap. I want to cook this soap right now. You're going to watch me cook it, okay? But before cooking the soap, I had to cut these ones into pieces. Woo! It's my tripod. I had to cut it into pieces first before I will cook it. So these ones are easy because they are just the soap I made just yesterday. So, but those ones that broke while cutting, and those ones that the cutter did not pack, they are the ones I'm cutting like this. This is soap, bar soap. Welcome. Bar soap. Oh my goodness. I have a lot of work here. A lot of work. I'm going to be cooking this soap. These ones are even soft. They are not hard because they are just soap that I made yesterday. So it's not going to be difficult to dissolve. So the ones that are going to be difficult to dissolve are the ones that have stayed for long. Welcome, welcome. Hi. Hi. So the ones that are going to be difficult to dissolve are the ones that have stayed for long, but these ones won't be difficult to dissolve. Immediately I on gas now. I'll cook it. I'll cook this soap now back and pour it on a fresh mold. Yeah, I'm thinking that even my hand should be able to pieces this one since it's yesterday's one. Let me just meet the one that is going to be difficult for me. This particular one will be very difficult for me. So let me just cut these ones. These ones are hard already. They are hard. They are hard because these ones I made them last week, some last 2 weeks. This one is last week. I think the other one that is strong like Zuma Rock should be 2 weeks ago. They are the ones that is going to give me tough time here. But I'm going to deal with everything. I'm here for that soap today. I'm not going anywhere. I must finish everything. I want to come and check the detergent I made. Let me see how far it has gone with the drying. Woo! See how white it is, God. Even though there is no sun today. There's no sun today. If it was yesterday, the kind of sun that was here yesterday, this thing will not even be like this by this time. It would have finished yesterday. I was almost saying, what kind of sun is this? The sun was there so hot. God. But thank God, every day is unique in its own way. Like the life for me, okay? Like the life for me. Every day is unique in its own way. Hey, I'm tired. I've not eaten this morning. I've been working. Oh my goodness. Let me come and sit down here so that I'll finish this one fast and cook it. Can you imagine? What is this? It is a. So, why this life is going on? I'm actually filming a day in my life. So, let me cut this. Let me cut the soap. And you see what I'm doing? Let me bring this down a little bit so you can see clearly what I'm doing. Let me don't come and show my leg on internet too. Hello, welcome to the live. I know today there's nothing that will make me edit video with all the work I'm doing today, so that's why I just decided to go live. It's not small work I'm doing. I'm better put it on my body. When I finish this thing, I might even go and sleep and rest a little bit. Before it will be time for school run. Welcome. Tired though. Tired, I'm feeling sleepy too. I woke up so early. Got to prepare kids for school and all these things. These ones are the ones I made last week. You have done it to me, oh, Mary Mama, oh, Mary Mama, oh, Mary Mama. Oh, Mary Mama, oh, Mary Mama, oh, Mary Mama. Jesus, you are good. You have done it all. Oh. O mere muma, o mere muma, o mere muma. O mere muma. Oh, welcome. Welcome. Like the life for me. Like the life. Like the life for me now. Why are you stingy with the like now? Why are you stingy with the like now? Are you going to cook with it? God, man. Do you know that this is the same way you can do those pieces soap in your house? Those soap that you bath and remain, wash and remain. If you have them plenty, you can actually be keeping them. Oh. If you have them plenty, you can do the same thing I'm doing to this soap with it. Just cook it, turn it inside something and it will become a new soap, a new bigger soap, honestly. And you can use it and wash clothes again. Like the life for me. What are you making? Soap. Some of you don't even read the title of the video, you just ask questions. Just yesterday, come and be asking, what are you making? When I say join me to cut soap. Ah. This live has reached 40 something minutes. I just want to finish this thing so that I can start cooking this soup, so you guys can see it. I'm saying like this because I'm tired though. Don't know if I should just off this live, go and sleep and rest. But I want to just finish this one. Let me know I'm done with it. Oh! This life, there is no rest though. No proper rest. Especially once you have family. I have children I'll go and pick too. By 4 now I should be going to go and pick those children. This knife is very sharp. 5 people, 3 likes. Like this video for me now. Eh? Like this video for me. It's easy to stay in hot sun and be doing all these things, and you people are not liking the video. It's not fair. They ran away. Oh. They ran away. Two people. Please, you people should click the like button for that video because whew. I will still show this video. A full part of this video. So I'll be ending this live now so that everybody can go and rest. I'll cut it outside the live, because this is not what you people will be watching. It's not as if it's small thing I'm cutting. I'll make the video and then post it, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. Okay, see you in our next live, our next video. I'm going to post this video how I finished it. Okay, so just wait for the next video. You're going to see it. Bye bye, love you. Mwah. I'm going to post what I'm doing as video, so if you want to watch it, you can just subscribe. Then my next upload, you're going to see it. Then you watch how I'm going to change this soap to a brand new soap. Okay, I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye, love you. It's running 3 minutes to 1 hour. Oh my goodness, it's not easy. Let me end the live. I want to end the live now.